Hey guys, so you're watching Rolling Homes. Just want to take a tour of our model. It's called the Gallery. It's a 30-foot by 8.5, and these are RV certified, or I should say NOAA certified. This one's planked with the cedar and the metal roof and black exterior windows. We build these homes on Iron Eagle trailers. So this doesn't have the valve on yet, but you can basically do a garden hose or, a water line running directly to it. Here's where the propane goes, and the propane is for the range, and it's also for the tankless water heater. Now if you look under here, you can see that's where the RV drain release is, and then a 50 amp power. Also, I forgot to mention that we add a power and water here on the side in case you decide to do gardening or anything on the side of the house. Let's go inside. Now, unfortunately, this one was already packaged to get shipped out. We removed the chandelier and the pendant light that goes over the kitchen sink. Here we have a closet, and potentially you can add laundry here. And then for more storage, again, this is sort of a pantry, but you can also use it if you add a rod, you can use it for hanging more clothes. Now here we walked into the bathroom. Here's the niche and family window, bathroom fan. Here's where the refrigerator goes. And mini split, which is, I think, rated for 700 square feet, so double the size. So that should work, and it has AC and heater. Here's why it's called the Gallery, is because we have so many windows in this unit. But here's the bedroom, and if you wanna, if you have a good view, you can place a bed here. We got USB chargers for your cell phones, and a queen bed fits in here. You could do a full if you want some space, or even a twin, which I doubt you probably would want to. But again, if you do a custom build, you can move this wall, remove it. We don't recommend it because you're losing space here in the living room. But this TV mount swivels out, and the TV comes out, and so you can watch it here in the kitchen or living room. Here's where the dining table goes. Again, if you do custom build, you can add cabinets here for extra storage instead of shelving. I want to show you here our other gallery. This one, our clients wanted to add a doggy door to it. They have 2 large dogs. This unit is also getting picked up next week, so it's all ready for delivery. And you can customize all your light fixtures, colors. The client here decided to do a tub instead. If you potentially want to do that, you can. Let me show you how these are framed. Here is the gallery in the process of being built. So if you want to do a custom build, you can, or you can potentially get in line and buy one of the ones we design if you don't care much to design yours.